Do they want your money? What's going on in the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. We're gonna tell you everything. Do they want your money or one day? But first things first, let's go to the market where Bitcoin in the daily chart is going up. We're still looking the same as we did in previous video. So we'll see about this $86,000 by 19th of March. Remember, we have the gap of the CME futures ahead of us, and also we have the expectation of this path to be followed by a Bitcoin action. Also consider this other one. We told you about DAX in the stock market in Germany, and you can see that wasn't a bad idea whatsoever. And we told you about these lines and how it could be a good idea to buy now in March and then sell it in November, December. And as we are going down more and more, this idea is coming better. So go to previous video. You have all that there. Do not miss that out. Today, we tell you that dollar is almost, as I record the video, in the $3,000. Is this scary for you or is not? Dollar is recovering, but also remember what we believe that is the plan of Donald Trump. The idea that he is now protectionist in United States. He wants everything built in United States as well as we did things in Spain many years ago. That way you can devaluate your coin, your fiat currency in this case. And this is what he did in 2017. Remember that we were following this chart of dollar when Donald Trump was there the last time, and it's following the same path. So we can expect the same behavior in the markets and on crypto. Remember in the monthly that we were concerned about this hammer pressing us down to the crypto winter, but remember that we also manipulate the line so that we still believe that this can be just some pain right now, as Donald Trump is telling us, in order to keep on going higher. Remember also today is a day for a sum up of charts. Remember how in the last periods that Bitcoin was dropping, we found support in previous highs. It happened here and it happened here too. So right now, the $72,000, $73,000 might be the point where we don't go lower anymore, ever and forever. That would be a drop of close to 32%, which is normal in this behavior as we keep on going up. The bubbles in the green. Right now, hype is going up after the trouble that they had. Remember that some people, smart enough, they are very high Q people, and they were, they understood how this worked and they were making money, taking advantage of the protocol. So Hype decided to reduce the leverage. This was not good for the community, so price went down. Right now, it seems that it's recovering. As the market is going up, Hype is also in the green. And you can see Trump finally going up, and also Say is going up. And why is that? Well, that's because we just learned that Donald Trump, precisely with World Liberty Finance, they are buying Say. It's the second time they buy it, now $100,000. So good for Say. And talking about World Liberty Financial, I told you I wouldn't buy it even with your money. Then I bought some of it, and the sale has been completed. They didn't make all the money they wanted to do, but they did $550 million. Allegedly, this is going to create a decentralized platform similar to Aave to create some instruments, economic digital instruments. We'll see about that. Will it become a huge one in the DeFi atmosphere, so my money would be something in the future, or might be it a disaster? And what about Solana? Solana had a proposal, it failed. So now, we are not going to change the emissions for its token. Some believe this is good, some believe this is bad. What do you think about it? any case, situation is that Solana keeps on going lower. Remember this line, maybe we can find support around 95. We'll see about it. Again, people believe that this is good for, well, people like you and me, that we have less on Solana so we can stake and make some money. And this is bad for huge whales. Any case, people believe that they have to adjust their tokenomics, so we might have some more of these proposals in the future. And the main thing today, we're going to tell you crazy thesis. Maybe they want to use you. Maybe they want to use you like exit liquidity. And we start from here, from Dubai, where Ripple XRP received approval from Dubai Financial Service Authority to provide crypto payment and services in the UAE, which is good for XRP, is good for Ripple, of course. But I started asking Grok, you know that I'm in love with this platform. And of course, Grok and I talk about so many controversies that we have out there. Is it Ripple XRP a good project? It is not. Well, if you go to Grok and ask him so many things, he might explain you what I am gonna try to sum up. My idea is that XRP was created long time ago, and there's a lot of people, you know, it's so concentrated. So there's a lot of people, they hold these tokens, the creators, they've been selling it as big as they could in the past. And now I believe that they might keep on doing that. Because again, the main thing is that the tokenomics is terrible. There's a lot of XRP out there. It's inflationary, so we're going to have more and more. It's a lot of XRP that comes into the market every now and then. And that means that you need a lot of people buying the token XRP in order to maintain the stability for the price. Also, the creators hold a lot of this, and also early investors. They will like to make money selling it, of course. And that might be the case. And in the future, XRP might have the perfect moment for that to be true, which is we might have a decision from the SEC, and maybe finally they just have to pay a fine of maybe $20 million and they're good to go. That can make the market raise a lot. Also, they're going to have, probably, if this is true, after that, they will have the approval from the SEC, and they will have the possibility of having the ETF. Also, a very, very good information that can make price of Ripple go crazy up. And not just that, we have also ISO 20022, and you know that XRP is compatible with that. So as banks are going to embrace this new way of sending money, they might use XRP, and people might FOMO because of all these three good news for XRP. But on the other hand, my thesis is that we have worse bad news that we have good news. We have that terrible tokenomics is really centralized. Remember, we have this unique node list in order to validate transactions. And the thing is that XRP might not have utility whatsoever, that you can still use RippleNet without using XRP. And also you might choose to use a stablecoin like USDC, USDT, or even a digital euro or other CBDC when they are a reality. So even if Ripple triumphs, that doesn't mean that the token XRP is going to be used. Because of all this, I asked Grok to tell me what might happen with the price. And the idea is that with all the FOMO that's going to be created with the good news, we might go up. And this is a 20-30% probability of this scenario to $4. Also, well, it has a neutral and a pessimistic scenario. Important thing here is, what do you think that might happen? I ask also ChatGPT, because you know I'm learning also about AI. We have a channel dedicated to that, and now they have ChatGPT 4.5, but the one created precisely for reduction and exploring ideas. And the ideas I found here, I don't like them as much as I like the ones with Grok 3. So I'm still in love with Grok 3. Thank you, Elon Musk. Remember that you can use it just in grok.com. You don't need to go to X Twitter in order to launch the application. So yeah, remember that the last time we had good news for XRP was July 2023, and at that point where we knew that Judge Torres could say that XRP was not a security, price of XRP went 104% up just in that month. So from the point we are right now, we might go, if we go again 104% when we know the decision, the final decision of the SEC, if it's a positive one, to $5, something like that. But that's from the point we are right now. So, well, maybe we start going up and we have to move this higher. Where? Just type a comment below. Tell me if you believe that XRP is going to go to $10 or you believe this is nonsense. You know who's living in Dubai? ZZ, of course, from Binance. And now we heard rumors that ZZ might ask President Trump for a pardon. So he can go back to the role as a CEO of the company. Maybe that's true, maybe not. Remember yesterday video, I told you that MGX from Abu Dhabi was investing like a lot of money into Binance. Now we know that President Trump's family is in talks to acquire stake in Binance US. So again, I'm wondering right now if Binance is going to be an interesting project, or also you are going to become exit liquidity for the ones that hold it in the first place. In the last 3 days, we are up 20% with Binance. In the monthly chart, you can see that it's not been a good time for BNB, and it's been really difficult to break this line that we have around 614. It's a terrible line that finds a lot of resistance for this token. Would it be able of breaking it in the future? Of course. I asked Grok again, and it says that it has a more solid case than XRP. The token has utility. They have, of course, BNB chain. You can use it for better fees. And yeah, also the tokenomics are much better. They have burns of the token, is deflationary, so also a good one. Again, this has so many friends and they hold the token. So are you going to become exit liquidity when BNB goes up? Maybe so, maybe not. In both scenarios, in both cases, with XRP and with Binance, I also have the idea that it is true that they might want to sell and they might sell it to you so you lose your money. But I don't believe they are going to do it just one day to the next one. So they have a lot and they can't sell it right away. They need some time in order to start selling it little by little. So yeah, I wouldn't panic. I wouldn't think that XRP is going to zero immediately. But yes, I believe that we are going to have like waves for the price of XRP. Maybe the first one will be when we know that it's not a security anymore and we go up 100%. Then we go down in 24 hours, some. And then we know we have the ETF and we go up again. Or maybe we have some kind of announcement that a bank is really using XRP. And then little by little, we will start going down. They are going to sell it little by little. So I'm going to do it myself. With XRP, I want to sell all my position at some point. Also, I want to sell my BNB. Remember that you can go to Market Cap Off, where you can create your comparisons between different coins and their market caps. And Donald Trump wants crypto or he doesn't? I think he does. Now we have people from the White House announcing that he asked to buy as much Bitcoin as possible. That's good for us as we are having some trouble in Europe with the digital euro. This article says that people in Europe, they don't want the CBDC. They say that there's a lack of understanding of why it's important, and they are going to now try to propaganda you with why you should lose your freedom and use this terrible asset called the CBDC digital euro in the UE next October. When we knew that Deutsche Bank said that Bitcoin is like gold and the US Strategic Reserve could set international standards. Deutsche Bank says that, but German government sold a lot of Bitcoin, remember? Bad things. Remember to ask everything that you want to Grok, and as I'm in love with it, I'm gonna tell you how you can put in your Brave browser Grok, so that when you open a new page, you'll see that it's Grok there. So go to settings, and there you can set Grok to be the one. So here you have to type grok.com, and then here you have to put just this thing, as you can see it up there. And anytime you open a new tab, you will see it's Grok, the one that is open. In the top of the window, you can use Google as always, and here you have Grok. And for me, it's been so convenient like this. That's why I'm telling you. We have good news coming from United States, Missouri, and New Hampshire, Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Seals Pass Committee, and we have tension and bad news from Argentina. So our friends in Argentina, let us know, please, in the comments below, how are you living the situation? We have geopolitical tension. We have interests between socialism and capitalism, between the right and the left, and we have to be smart enough in order to not get too mad about it, try to be happy no matter what, and at the same time, we have to try to follow what's going on so we can take advantage and live a good life, even if we have to move to another country. Ethereum keeps on being flat, people asking, Ethereum, come on, do something, but we don't want you to go down, so we prefer you not doing anything than doing this. And we say goodbye with this Bitcoin in the sky. It's created with drones and is the largest Bitcoin symbol ever created with drones. This was on Austin, Texas. Congratulations to these people. As you came to the end of the video, I want to give you away some alpha. In this case, I do realize that Valdeande Magico is publishing videos again in YouTube. I didn't know this was the case. It's only that you have to be a member. As you know, we have members here on Fan on the Right. So I, fast as I could, I became a member. I would recommend you to become a member because I learned always so much. Some of the things I'm telling you in this very video come from the last videos that he published as just watch. So congratulations to Valdeande. Thank you very much. I didn't knew this, and I will tell people here on Fan on the Right to watch your videos. And as always, watch also videos from cats and dogs. Here you can see how the Dogecoin is there doing nothing while the market is taking away all your cryptos. Terrible situation. Let's learn how to avoid this. How? Learning about AI with our other channel, Rodrigo Arnedo, Inteligencia Artificial. Today we released a new video. And of course here, learning about cryptocurrencies and financial freedom. Rodrigo Arnedo, Noticias, Bitcoin, CryptoNews, Fan on the Right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!